Boosting the signal, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, boost the signal. This expression is quite common in English, but its meaning might not be immediately clear if English isn't your first language. So, let's dive in and learn about it together. The phrase, boost the signal, originally comes from telecommunications, where it literally means to increase the strength of a signal so it can be received more clearly. However, in everyday usage, it has a more figurative meaning. It's used to describe the act of amplifying a message or information so that it reaches a larger audience. This can be done through various means, such as sharing on social media, talking about it in public forums, or even just telling friends and family about it. 1. Social media context. We need to boost the signal on our charity event to get more attendees. In this case, boost the signal means to make more people aware of the charity event, perhaps by sharing it on social media platforms. 2. Workplace scenario. Our team's project isn't getting enough attention. Let's boost the signal in the next meeting. Here, it means to make the project more visible or discussed among colleagues, especially in a professional setting. Using boost the signal in conversation or writing is quite straightforward. The key is to use it in contexts where there is a need to increase awareness or visibility of something. Here are some tips. It's often used as a call to action. Let's boost the signal on this issue. Can be used in a variety of situations, from informal chats to formal discussions. Works well in both spoken and written English. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, boost the signal. Remember, it's all about amplifying a message or information to reach a broader audience. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding how to use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.